Today we are talking about our fondu, which means sinking down. They're really just a plie on one leg, and it's done in addition to our working leg being held in a position or doing things such as our tendus, dégagés, etc. And so I'm going to use our sur le coup de pied positioning as an example and bend with my standing leg. That's really all there is to it with the fondu. All the same rules apply as when we were talking about our demi-pliés. You still need to control the movement and make sure that you're not snapping the knee, and you still want to make sure that you're keeping your knees over your toes. And this is a great way to set up for some of the stuff that we're going to be talking about tomorrow with our dodge work. So be sure to check back then and have a great day.